And on the state roundup, primary teachers in Ogun State have embarked on a week's strike to protest their unpaid salaries. Senator Shehu Makonde, the senator representing Ekiti South local government area, has proposed a bill to increase security allowances for Senate members in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. However, now that the bill hasn't passed first reading, but we hear many senators.
What is going on here? What? Who is in charge of editing?
I don't know. Tell me.
Yeah.
Are you in charge of editing?
Yes, I am.
Do you know the kind of lawsuit that mistake can bring to this station?
Oh, that was an oversight, actually. I didn't handle graphics today. I actually assigned that to someone else.
So now you're portioning blames, eh?
No, I'm not. I'm just saying that I assigned that job to somebody else. And wait, who are you?
The guy who just pointed out your incompetence and fired you.
Commercial break.
What?
Commercial break right now, everybody.
What is going on over there? Who are you and why are you disturbing my show? A professional would not be distracted, even if this building was burning down. Listen up, everybody! Meeting in 30 minutes!
But the show isn't over.
That's why we have musical breaks. Tosin, be smart. Use your head. You have one. It's not just to carry your hair. Who the hell is this guy?
And the reason I'm saying this is
my soul is a book, my eyes tell a story of melancholy. My fans invading Troy to cry Helen for me. The enemy wishing the genius would be selling poorly, but the legend to speak of my rise and how I fell in glory. Grenade out of my hand, I'm going out with a bang. Jesus saying, Father, I can vouch for the man. He lived the life of an angel on earth. A sheep in sheep clothing, never changing a shirt. Just like me in the manger at birth. Better put some spikes in my crown before you cross me. If I'm sacrificing my sound for the glow, will you endorse me? Money is power as we worship the Adenu gods. Dangote's on Tedolas, so tell me Adenu gods. All Leviathans, and I'm hoping to acquire some for the price of my wishes, which is a higher sum. High prices, hypers, fucking I'm rich in a higher sum.
Sorry.
No need to apologize. I should have been paying more attention. What's your name?
Bosse Adiogun.
Bosse Adiogun. It's nice to meet you, Bosse.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Great. You're fired.
What?
Hello, people. Hello. Thank you very much. Now that I have your attention, who is Raphael Godwin, please? Raphael.
I'm Raphael.
Thank you very much. Stand up. Anna Udo. Who's that? Thank you. Stand up. Thank you very much for not wasting our time. And Carol Hosseini. I like your name, Hosseini. I had a client Hosseini once. Thank you. Nice to meeting you, everybody. If you're standing, then you're fired.
What?
Hey, the company appreciates the good work you have put in all the time you've been here, but we won't be needing your services any longer. Thank you very much. Hey! Why are you all pretending you didn't know this was going to happen any minute? Huh? But seriously, it's in your contract. You can be fired at any time. You didn't read your contract. You didn't read your contract. Hey, you with the afro, did you read your contract? Don't worry. Read it. Tell me what it says by tomorrow, else you're fired. Channel 77 has been failing this past few months. A fact which is evident from the many months that you have not been paid salary. Can anybody tell me why? No smart one amongst you? Okay. Channel 77 has been incurring running costs without making any actual profits because your shows are worse. Your shows are worse than the dreadful speeches that priests give at church weddings. Nobody is going to place an ad on the snooze fest you idiots are churning out. But never fear, for I am here. My name is Murphy Umoh. Easy to pronounce, by the way. And I'm the man who is going to be saving this sinking ship. Many have been fired. Many more will still go. But not to worry, not to worry. Salaries will be paid, starting with all those who have been fired. Questions? Good. So now, we're going to change the format of most of our shows from too much news to things people actually like to watch.
There is no harm in informing people. It's called actual journalism.
Also called boring. No ratings. And without ratings, we don't get ad placements. And without ad placements, we what? We die.
Are you saying that my show is the reason why our Channel 77 is going down?
Did anybody hear me say that?
You certainly implied it. Look, Mr. Man, I don't appreciate you coming here, belittling my show.
Nobody can make you feel how you don't already feel about yourself, bro.
You have no right.
I'm seriously tired of your stinking attitude and I don't need it.
Excuse you?
You're fired. Your services are no longer required here. This company is moving in a whole new direction, and if you're not in the boat, then you get out.
You know what? I don't need this.
Make it fast. Thank you. Is there anyone else? Good. So back to what I was saying. What was I saying? Somebody remind me.
Hello, Mr. Johnson. What is going on here?
Hello, Dawi. Is everything okay?
Fired!
What are you talking about?
First of all, nobody told me of a new general manager. But you told me I was going to be the manager. We talked about it. And you even assured me that the board was getting someone else. Look. You have lost your best presenter. The board, I hope they know what you're doing.
Yeah, don't stab me.
Pretty well, next time your fingers won't be this intact.
Come on, don't call me that. You know I hate that name.
And take it up with the guys at the production that actually gave you the name.
I hate those guys.
Don't be shoe fits.
Well, I just came here to make sure we're still here after the purge.
Don't get too excited. He said it's not over yet.
You know, he sure seems like he's going to wake up one morning and fire everyone.
Well, then let's ask the Channel 77 star boy now, shall we?
Well, honestly, I'm not scared. You know, no one can manage these productions the way you do. And who are they going to get to recreate the magic that I perform with Ivy?
You know they'll probably fire you for naming a camera Ivy, right? And then endangering the supposed Ivy by hanging her from the ceiling.
Well, since we have enough time, I might as well enjoy it.
If you're going to kiss, at least don't block the coffee for others. It's bad manners. Your parents didn't teach you.
Hello, Mr. Murphy.
I hope at least you gave him consent.
What?
You don't consent. That thing when you say, yes, you can kiss me. I know I won't sue you. I know you're not going to jail. Maxi, camera department. 5 times international award winner for the best cinematography in a short film in 2018 alone.
But yeah, that's me.
I hear you're the best production manager any TV station can ask for. You know, I have a couple of tips. I know a few things about office relationship.
We're not in English.
Whatever it is, I'd hate to lose 2 of my best staff to a mutual distraction, huh? Huh?
What's good?
He's among those they fired this morning.
You have to.
I'll go away. Eh? How do I feed my family? I'm not going anywhere.
Why is he on the floor?
It's fired.
What in the name of Channel 77 is going on here? PTA meeting? Coup d'etat? Trying to get me fired? Sir, I can't afford to be fired, sir. I just can't. I will die, you. Come on, get up. Sir, I'm begging you, sir. Hunger will kill me and my family. I'm the only one they have, please. Where is your pride? Where is your ego? You're making us look bad. You know what's worse than a jobless one? A pathetic one. So just get up. Get out. Sir.
Hi guys, so we're about to go live right now, so make sure you tune in because we wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. Guys, my makeup artist is getting frustrated. Say hi.
Are you guys not done? You've been at this for hours now. We'll soon be done. You'll not rush my own Abby. Where's Ebere? She's up today.
Please, oh, you guys should not rush my co-presenter's makeup. She has to look peng.
You know you're the only one working today and you are still wasting time. I'm sorry,
Guys, I have to go now. Nancy's getting grumpy. But don't forget to leave your comments under the video with the hashtag Channel 77 and Wake Up Nigeria. Nancy, come now. We should hurry up and do her makeup a bit.
Excuse me?
I need you to reverse Dawi's sack.
Oh, come on, Johnson. So I'm the manager of this place and I can't fire my staff.
Murphy, fire we want to fire, but not the best guy will bring to the best endorsement.
Dawi is an overgrown baby who needs a nanny to babysit him. I can't. He doesn't listen, he doesn't take instructions, and he walks around as if he owns the freaking TV station. He's a walking time bomb. How can I work with him?
Everybody has got issues, but the board wants you to bring him back.
Tell me, am I going to have to take permission from those guys to take a leak, take a shit, do my job?
Nobody's teaching you how to do your job. Just bring him back.
What again?
The board is not happy with the way you keep sacking people anyhow. At least do it in batches.
So we should keep staff we can't afford to pay because the board feels they'll say something negative about them. What kind of cockheads and chickens do you have on the board, Johnson?
Well, you know they have a point.
Look, Johnson, don't worry about those guys. The deed is done. Just give me some time to do my job. I know what I am doing. Look, Johnson, I can understand my methods might seem a little bit different and people are uncomfortable. It's normal. That's the new guy. You guys don't trust me. But Johnson, tell me, why did you hire me? Because you know I can get this thing done. But if you start to clip my wings before I've even attempted to fly, you'll have a manager with no balls who can't take the tough decisions and who won't be there when shit hits the fan. You guys employed me to take the fall for when shit hits the fan.
Well?
Good. Johnson, you and I both know that no members of the board would take a press conference or even put your reputation on the lines if things go bad. Are you?
If you put it like that.
Of course I put it like that. Fine. Just give me some time. I'll do my job. Johnson.
And Dawi?
Oh, that overgrown bastard. I'll fix it.
So today on the show, we have with us a Nollywood actor, Mr. Jerry Onanaga, who has also added extra title of producer with his upcoming movie, Happy Men. Welcome to the show, Mr. Jerry.
Thank you very much.
This is the second Happy Men, right?
Yes, it is.
I'm actually curious. The first one was such a monumental success. Weren't you scared of making the second one?
Why would I be scared?
Well, you know they say if something is really good the first time, just once is enough.
True, but we found a formula that works, so I figured why don't we replicate it and make even more money.
So, Jerry,
what should we expect from Happy Men 2?
Well, I know I said we just want to make more money, but beyond that, we felt that we need to tell more stories that we didn't finish telling from the first installment. Ladies.
come on now. You're not going to give us any...
Apparently, Mr. Jerry won't be giving us any spoilers, so we're just going to go to commercial.
No, let me give you guys a little bit so you won't say I'm stingy.
Thank you, Jerry.
So Joe's story is definitely getting expanded on.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna say for now. I'm sorry, but hey, Happy Men 2 is gonna be out in the cinema in a bit, so you won't have to wait any longer.
Hopefully the wait won't
So, we've been having a wonderful time with Mr. Jerry here. And when we come back, we'll keep talking about his movie Happy Men. It's Wake Up Nigeria on Channel 77. Don't go anywhere.
Sir, I am really sorry for what happened back there, sir. I'm usually not like that.
Meaning?
I swear. It's just that I just couldn't bear the thought of suddenly being without a job. I know how long it took me to get this one.
What was it exactly that you were doing here again?
I was the driver for the last manager. We worked together for over 5 years.
Over 5 years?
Yes.
And then you left?
Yes.
You're not loyal? Huh? Are you? Why didn't you live with him? Okay, so what do you want me to do for you now?
I need a job here, sir. Please, just give me a try. You will not regret it.
Why should I hire you?
You need someone here. I know almost everyone in this office. I can be your ears and eyes here. By that way, you don't have to look for any information. Yes. Please, sir, I am a very good driver and I can use the computer and I love my job, sir.
But you know we're paying salaries, right?
Yes, sir.
Especially to the people that got fired.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If I can work for 8 months without pay, I can definitely just...
It's okay. It's fine. Yes, I do need somebody, but I'm probably going to regret this.
No, you won't.
But you're not loyal. Fine. I like a man who can make a sale.
God bless you, sir.
Oh.
Boss man.
And Raphael.
Yes.
If you ever try to pull that stunt that you pulled earlier today again, if you ever try to embarrass this company the way you did again, I'll not only fire you, I'll have your head on a platter, kick it around like some football, and when the flesh is all gone, I'll drink some good wine with your skull.
Never again, sir.
Good. Put on a big smile. Welcome back to Channel 77.
Thank you, sir. Boss man. I can go and see J. Chow, sir.
By the way.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, hello, sir.
I'm afraid I don't have any news yet.
What's that supposed to mean, sir?
I am still working on getting you your job back.
But you are the board. You're supposed to tell him what to do.
You know it's never just as simple as that. Look, give me a little time and this whole thing will be settled.
Of course. Hello? Yes, my name is Dogonyaro. I got your number from an email that you sent to me a few months ago. Yes, a job offer. Okay. Please, can I speak to Chief Dogonyaro, please?
Good afternoon, Mr. Murphy.
I hope there are no ex-employees threatening to jump off the building, is there?
Oh, no, sir.
Good, good. So, what does the great Christy Ashanafi want with a mere mortal like me?
Well, we weren't properly introduced earlier today, so I thought to stop by and say hello.
Great. How's the show today?
Splendid, as usual. Actually, I wanted to let you know that apart from being a presenter, I could also make a very good producer for the channel.
Producer as in behind the scenes? Why would you want to go behind the scenes, Christy?
Well, I do have a lot of talent and I feel like...
You know what? I understand exactly how you feel.
Really?
Yes.
You do?
Of course. People who are highly talented and creative always feel like there's more to give. Like from the inside, you always feel like there is more. Hmm?
Yes,
right?
Exactly.
I agree with you completely. But I don't think that is the best idea for your brand right now.
Really?
Yes.
How so?
Humans are not wired to handle this level of creativity. I know I sound cocky, but it is what it is. Before we move forward, Christy, I want to ask you, what is most important to you in this working environment? Christy, the person, or Christy, the brand?
The brand, I guess.
Of course. That is what we need to focus and project to the public. Your brand. Of course, along the line you can diversify, do your producing and stuff, but for now, we have to focus on the brand.
Right.
Yes. Because the people love your brand. That's what we should give to them. Hmm? Christy, do you know the worst thing you can do to a star? Stopping it from shining. Stars are meant to shine, not to crawl behind the scenes and let others shine.
That makes sense.
Leave crawling for people like us and be exactly what you were meant and born. A star.
A star.
Say it, Christy. Picking up multiple awards for being breast presenter. Oh my, can you see the laps? Can you see the standing ovation?
I do.
People screaming. Oh, I can hear them chanting, Christy, Christy, Christy. Look at the girls dying to be like you. Look at the man drooling over you, Christy. Christy.
I see it.
You see it, right?
Of course I see it.
Good. I knew you would.
This makes complete sense, Mr. Murphy. I know exactly where to channel my efforts to.
Great. Christy.
Yes.
I want you to work with me on this. I am going somewhere. I'm taking you along. Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Murphy.
You're very welcome, Christy. You can leave now.